Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we have shocking news about one of the giants in the aerospace industry, Boeing. Let's break down what's happening and what it means for the company's future. Boeing has decided to plead guilty to a criminal fraud charge in connection with the two fatal crashes of its 737 MAX model in Indonesia and Ethiopia. This news comes from a court filing by the U.S. Department of Justice late Sunday. Why is this important? If the judge overseeing the case approves the deal, Boeing will officially be branded a felon, a status that could seriously affect its defense business. While significant, this deal falls short of what the families of the victims had hoped for, which included a criminal trial and a fine of up to $25 billion. Paul Cassell, an attorney for the families, quickly responded by filing an objection, as noted by the Washington Post. The families intend to argue that the plea deal with Boeing unfairly makes concessions to Boeing that other criminal defendants would never receive and fails to hold Boeing accountable for the deaths of the 346 people in the crashes, per the New York Times. According to Cassell, this sweetheart deal fails to recognize that because of Boeing's conspiracy, 346 people died. Through crafty lawyering between Boeing and the DOJ, the deadly consequences of Boeing's crime are being hidden. Meanwhile, Boeing shares traded higher on Monday as investors viewed the news as resolving one of the company's open questions. A Boeing spokesperson stated, "We can confirm that we have reached an agreement in principle on terms of a resolution with the Justice Department, subject to the memorialization and approval of specific terms." Following the Ethiopian Airlines crash in 2019, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, grounded Boeing's 737 MAX series aircraft for about 20 months. In May, the DOJ alleged that Boeing had breached the terms of a more lenient punishment issued as part of a 2021 agreement. Boeing had agreed to pay over $2.5 billion to settle criminal charges related to the actions of two employees who withheld information from the FAA about changes made to the MCAS software implicated in both crashes. What do you think about this news? Do you believe Boeing is doing enough to make amends for past mistakes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.